So before you fly, what is this? This is a Hawker Hunter.
Yeah, this is, well, yeah, Dad's Hawker Hunter. This is another model from Dirk, who did the Sharks. So yeah, this is his Hunter. It's a 50mm fan, same fan that we use in everything. So FMS, 4S, 2200. 2200 fan. Reasonable print time. It's a fair size for a 50mm. But yeah, prints off really nice. All lightweight PLA. And then he does different options as well. So you can have a different tail option without the air brake or with the air brake, and you can also have a different wing option with or without the dog tooths. Oh, and a different front end with or without the Sabinas. So, well, I think that's how you say it. I'm on video now saying
Sabinas?
it.
What are Sabinas?
These things.
What do they do on the full size?
They're lumpy things.
Oh, lumpy things.
Someone in the comments will tell you, Dom.
Most people say that's bad. But...
on the full size. I have no idea what they are.
I don't know whether they're like a radome or radar feature, maybe.
Okay.
Not too sure.
Someone will know in the comments. Comment below if you know what these do.
Yeah, we have no idea.
Scale,
on the real one, not this one.
Scale colour scheme from one that flew out of Bournemouth in the 1980s.
Oh, it's a real scheme.
So it is a real scheme. G Hunt, yeah. About 86, 87, something like that. It was flying then.
Nice. And you were saying earlier, so this is Colourfab lightweight PLA, and then 2 coats of spray.
Yeah, double acrylic spray, which is it high tech? We'll have to look.
We'll put the link. I'll put the link in the video description. But
high coat.
High coat. That's right.
High coat, double acrylic.
Yeah. Okay. Good luck.
Okay. Enjoy. Wait for the gust just to go.
Yeah. It is a little bit windy.
Go. I've got throttle on. Okay. Ready? Yep. Lovely. Thank you very much. It's a bit up.
You shall retreat to safety.
You're right to back. You're off from the fence.
Right. Get a trim. We haven't flown her lately. Watch that sun.
Okay.
I'm not watching, I'll have to reprint it.
Quite quick.
That was low.
I'll slow it up a little. A lovely wing shape.
And that red looks awesome in the sky.
Yeah. do a loop, then we better look at the land. Right, we go round, see if we can get a landing.
Ooh, go. Just slide, eh?
It does glide, yeah.
Slides and slides.
Long glide, look, fast.
Yeah.
In this wind.
Whoa, that downwind pass, that first one. Good grief. I'm looking forward to seeing that in slow-mo.
Right.
Well done, well done.